Hey, welcome to today's quick video. Today we're going to talk about distribution, and when I think of distribution I think of Halloween. And why do I think of Halloween? Well, I always think about handing out candy. In other words, I'm distributing candy to all the groups that come to my door. Every time a group comes to my door I have to give candy to each and every kid. Well, distribution in mathematics is kind of similar to that. Okay, so let's take a look at some problems here so we can take a look at an example of how to distribute numbers across different groups. Okay. So over here in problem number 1, and this is the same problem number 1 on your worksheet. Here I have -6 parentheses b plus c. And as we know, this is multiplication between the -6 out front and the parentheses. So we have this group on the inside. Well, distribution tells me I want to distribute this -6 to everything that's on the inside. It's like giving candy to every single person on the inside of these parentheses. Now you have to remember you distribute using multiplication. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take -6 times b. Then I'm going to take -6 times c. Now I have to remember to include the plus sign that's there in the middle. So what this will look like is the following. -6 times b is -6b plus -6 times c, which is -6c. And we know from our property of addition that I can't do anything with this because this is now like adding apples and oranges and I can't do that. This is as far as I can take this problem. Okay? So let's take a look at another example. This is number 2 on your worksheet. Okay? So again, I have this 3 outside the parentheses and I want to distribute it to everything on the inside. I want to hand the candy to every single person in this group. So I got to give this 3 to the W. I got to give this 3 to the 4. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take 3 multiplied by the W, and I'm going to take this 3 multiplied by the 4. Bring down your subtraction sign as well. So 3 times W is 3W minus 3 times 4 is 12. And again, I can't do anything with this because they have different cabooses. They're not the same train, so therefore that's as far as I can take it. Now take a look at number 12. This is the same number 12 on your worksheet. Here I now have a 3k outside my parentheses. Again, I want to distribute the 3k to everything that's on the inside here. Now the beauty of multiplication is a little bit more powerful than addition, so I can combine things that aren't the same. I can make my applekin, combining an apple and a pumpkin. Okay? So I can take my 3k and multiply it by my xy. I can make a 3k and multiply it by my -5. Let me show you how I do that. So 3k times a -xy is -3k xy, and that's it. Now I take my 3k and multiply it by my -5. Well, 3 times -5 is -15. Okay. Now again, at this point, these are apples and oranges. I cannot add these. This is as far as I can take it. -3k xy plus -15k. Okay? Just a quick review here. Take whatever's on the outside, distribute it by multiplication to everything that's on the inside. Keep your addition signs and subtraction signs the same. Okay? So if you have any questions, please feel free to ask me. Go ahead and work through the front and back of this worksheet.